Yes, guys, today in today's training, we're actually going to look at the bullish engulf, the bullish engulf pattern. Yeah, the bullish engulf pattern. SE, that's what we're going to look at. The bullish engulf pattern. How do we identify the bullish engulf pattern, and what is the function of the candlestick called the bullish engulf pattern? So the functions, that is what basically we want to look at in today's trading and training, which we're embarking at the moment. This topic is very, very interesting for people to actually understand what the bullish engulf pattern simply tells us or simply identify. So that's what we're going to look at today. That we're going to look at today is very, very interesting topic, bullish engulf pattern. And what does it simply implies? What is the work of bullish engulf pattern, and how it could be used to actually make profit from the market. So these are the things we want to actually look at today. Guys, just try as much as possible to stay tuned. Yes, try as much as possible to stay tuned to our training today. It is worth it. It's worth taking your time. It's worth taking your time to actually listen to it, and definitely you are going to learn a lot. These are most of the candle patterns. All these things you see, they are mostly the candle patterns we use in this training industry. The training industry, these are the pattern we use. And most times the bullish engulf pattern is represented by a pestling. Yeah, pestling. Take a look at it. Take a look at here. Yes, this is an example of a bullish engulf pattern indicating a reversal in the direction of the market. And take a look at what happened here. As soon as this happened, as soon as this candle appears here, the market actually boom up. There it go. So it gives you an idea when the market is about to reverse, and then the next thing you do when you see or notice such scenario in the Forex market. So the bullish engulf pattern is actually a pattern that when you see it appear, see it again here, see it again here, see it again here. Yes, we have it here. We also have it here, signaling the next candle. When a bullish engulf pattern appears on a trading chart, the next candle automatically will be bullish. If it's not bullish, the next trading pattern will be bullish, and that's what it's here. You can see it appear here. You see it appear here again. You see it appear here again. Then you have all the bullish all the way. Take a look at this. It also happened here. The same thing also played out here. And center look like see it here. See it appear here. You see it appear here, and the next thing you see, boom, all the way is a bullish market. All the way is a bullish market. You see it appear here again. It tells you the market reversal, and you actually use it to actually maximize your profit in the trading industry. Thank you very much for listening.